Hello learners, in Android development, sometime we require in a single text view you want to display different kind of styled text. So here you can see this is a single text view and some text is in a blue color and some in a black or maybe some in a orange and some in a yellow color. Okay, and here this for this it's a bold and it's a normal so styling, and for this is little bit bigger than another text. Okay, and here you are able to see it will showing in bullets. Okay, and here it's showing as underline. So these kind of requirement how we can fulfill. So in this video means I am not using two tests. I am test view, I am using single test view, but I am formatting my test before using that test in our test view. So how you can do that in this video we will learn. So for that let's get started. I have already take some test view in my file layout file, as well as I have already take some take some strings which we are going to format. So how you can do that? For that in Android we have a spannable string. So we will create a spannable string for our 6 purpose, like foreground spannable string equal to spannable string, and here you pass your string reference. Okay, after that you need to set a span means styling. For that we use ForgroundColor span, and here you will give your desired color dot yellow, and here you will give a start position from where this start, from which index this styling is start. I am saying start from 0, and I want to cover this only foreground. So how many characters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 till 10. Okay, so and flag is spannable, span exclusive. Okay, now set this into our test view. For foreground test, foreground color test is equal to foreground spannable string. Okay, so now if you run your program you are able to see foreground color is apply on this foreground. I think it's 11, not this. Okay, so you are able to see, yes, foreground is in a yellow color. So for different styling, copy this to 5 times, 4 and 5. Change this to background span, background color span. Okay, and here you will use background color span, and here you will use test background color, and here this is 50 10. So how many? First we calculate our string length where we want to apply this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and underline 9, and I am bigger 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and apple 1 2 3 4 5. Apple is 5, and 3 4 5 6. Banana 6, and fruit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, including new line. So apple, banana, fruit. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 till styling. So for that now apply background. For it's 11, so it's already 11. Change this to background color span, and here we need to use underline spannable string, and change this to underline spannable string. Change this to underline span, and color should be red, and underline span, and here you will underline test. There is for underline there is no color. For that underline 9, so 10 0 10, and here for this foreground to test underline, and underline test is equal to underline line spannable. Okay, and now for this background span resize spannable string and change this to background span. Okay, resize change this to resize test, and here also change resize spannable string and change this to resize relative resize, and here you will pass how much proportion you want to resize your using 4f, and how many 11, so 0 to 11 is fine. Okay, and now time bar or styling. So for that styled span, you will use styled spannable string and change this to styled spannable string and change this to styled span, and here you will pass bold, italic. Okay, and change this to styled spannable string, and there are some mistake. We need to set this, so resizable string. Now apply your bullet span. For that you need to apply this 2 times, like bullet spannable string. Okay, and pass here to bullet example, and pass this to bullet spannable string, and because we want to apply bullet spannable on apple and banana, so and fruit delight, so our starting point should be 8 till banana 13. Okay, and remove this as well. Change this to bullet. Okay, and change this to bullet spannable string as well. So here 14 to how many bananas? Character 14 to 20, or bullet example dot length. So first cross check if I have applied for foreground spannable, foreground spannable. Okay, background spannable, background spannable, underline, underline and underline, resize, resize, bold, styled, spannable string. Okay, spannable bold string. Let's run, and if there is anything we will figure out and fix that thing. Okay, we didn't apply. What's wrong with this? Okay, we did not change the styling and display the styling in our test view. We need to change background and underline test foreground at the place of foreground, resize test size span, test size span. Okay, and test style span. Okay, and here test bullet span. Okay, and now run your this again, as well as we have a mistake here. We did not apply bullet span. Bullet span. For bullet span you need to pass three things, like color, gap width is 2, and color dot magenta, and the radius should be 10. Okay, and copy this here as well. Okay, now run your program again to check the output. Here you can see this is our desired output or not. Yes, this is our desired output. Here this is change, but our background is not changed. Why it's not changed? Okay, here you need to change to background color span. Now run again. Now underline is take place, font size is yes, font underline it, style is also take place, and your this size is also take place, and underline and foreground is also take place. So in this video you will learn how you can use different styling through programming your test view using SpannableString. So please subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you very much.